competition of 𝗧𝗵𝗶𝘀 is so important for us because, amongst other things, we are encouraging our students and even the community at large to investigate, to be innovative, and ensure that as learners and as students, they grow up to learn new ways of doing or solving problems.
I'm so proud of them because they have demonstrated, the understanding of the problem statement and looked at solutions, and not just, solution in general, but real life problems within the mining, the manufacturing, as well as the petroleum industry.
We have to employ lifelong learning. Gone are the days where you study and you throw the books away. We have to continually study, to continually improve ourselves, learn other things, relearn other things, and unlearn other things.
As a provincial lead here in Limpopo province, where majority of our people are in rural areas, I'm really humbled to see such competitions coming here where the people are, and we are bringing the real stuff, the real things that normally are found in urban areas, and we're saying that let's start here in the villages where majority of our populations are.
I think it's the relentless drive that the kids have. They want to know more because they don't have access to such exposure. So initiatives like this really encourage them to do more and to know more, and we are just happy to afford them this opportunity.
Those prototypes that we've seen today has actually boosted our quest to innovate and ensure that we find a better South Africa through innovation, technology and engineering.